find your loving.
Morning, what's up? Today is Veterans Day, and I'm going to use this nice opportunity to take it and do a little early morning gym workout. Yeah, so I just brush my teeth, wash my face, get my body in tune. I'm gonna catch up my hair before I go to bed. I try to moisturize my hair. I want to show what I use. So I use so last night I did like a detailed part through, like a party through, and I use the Jamaican castor oil to like go through it root by root, and then moisturize it. Sometimes I will use this, but I don't go through it like detail, but just rub it over the hair. So most nights I try to get my hair moisturized, not with the oil but with the moisturizer before bed. My hair actually I grow back, and the last time I talked about the shedding of the hair, I don't know why I keep saying shredding. The shedding of the hair. I spoke about how bad it was, but honestly, it's not as bad as it used to be. Yeah, itch me down. So I'm just gonna do a regular like a catch up, because it's just the gym here I go right up there. So yeah, babe, wake up. So I don't know if you want to come. I'm not a morning gym person, so I'm not sure. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish get ready, and then when I leave my talk. going to the gym on the property. I have to go to the door and out the door. It is cold and I'm not playing at all. Rain did all off. I'm semi cold. Gosh, I took extra and all that bad. In all that bad. Which you want to show me that thick jacket and all that bad. What's it out of cold? Am I the only one? The first time, every time I come in my car, for the first time every day, the first thing I do, I look around my back, see if nobody around there hide. Am I the only one that does that? It doesn't say crazy thing, but it's not a crazy thing. Check your surroundings first. Nobody now around the back and wait for me if you come in here. Cool man, beg you look at eat this ash. Beg you look at eat there. Alright guys, we're gonna run to the gym. We're gonna get there in like seconds. In like such a short time. In like literally less than 3 minutes. It was raining. The weatherman did say it doesn't rain. I'm like, babe, you wanna come to the gym? Oh my tired man. Me say, B, see me I go to the gym now, you know. You don't come to the gym. You see me I be company and you know I go to the gym. Tired man. Me say me have one package shape card on for me. Me a time go. Besides me done the gym, me I come back for you. Go fishing and too tired. No. Babe say, no go to the gym. Never go to the gym. Wow. Never go to the gym. You know how long me no go to the gym? But him say, me go to the gym, no, me go to the gym. And I know Mr. Wisdom can't reach at the gym. Ah, nothing can't reach at the gym, me say. Alright, we're gonna park right here. When we're there, I told you it's less than 3. Which one may I take? Let's take this one. I think about the parking slot. Which one did I take? It's less than 3 minutes. I live on the property where the gym is. Where our property gym is. That's what I should say. Alright guys, let's go. Quick something I deal with fast. So the first thing I did was to come in the room to see if my package is here. My package is here. It's not in any of those, thank God. Because I never get one code and sometimes give me so much trouble. So my package is here. And here we go now. To the gym. Long time I know what they must step here. I'm not telling no lie. Guys, just like that, I'm all done. Oh God, I'm hungry. I'm warm though. I'm warm because I put back a jacket and I just done exercise. But I have to put on my jacket because I don't want to get sick. So I go for the husband now if he come take up the package for me. Oh God. Alright. To say I'm such a person who likes to clean my car, suffer it. Sorry. My car, suffer it. This is my second car that I am owning. And this car plus the first car, the two of them go through it. Two of them go through it. Two of them go through the whole fact that is it that I don't like washing my car, or is it that I do not like washing my car myself? And whenever that's the thing, I do not like washing my car myself, but I prefer to wash my car myself because whenever somebody washes my car, I am never satisfied. If I wash my car myself, my car is clean, cleany, thoroughly. But take it to a car wash. I'm going to sleep on. Outside really want to wash out, but it's raining and all of that. Inside really want to clean out. So I don't even know. Me talk to now. We get the package and reach back home. We're gonna unbox it because it's a piece of furniture, and I'm so excited about this. So yay! Call babe to me outside. Alright guys, so I pulled the box and started taking out some of the parts, the pieces. This part is the glass, I'm assuming, because this box is pretty heavy. So this is going to be the the TV console. This is the TV console. I leave this always supposed to look on the screen. I got it from Amazon, and I'm excited to see what it's going to be like. It's supposed to have light, comes with light, like LED light. So I guess I can try. The manual is right here. It's from W Live or W Live, whichever way they would call it. Why I'm not focused. So this can either be W Live or W Live. I don't know what they call it, but it does have remote and so forth, because as I said, it's LED light. There's a lot of pieces. Woo! Anyway, stop me. I call this bad, you know, so it can stay there. It's 65 inches in for the width, so it should be perfect for the wall space over here. So let's get into it.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? So if
Guys, I got this far. Call babe to show me one little thing and then gone left me.
You can't show the important part.
Whatever. So this is the base.
sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down,
Alright guys, this is where we're at. with me never did be the one can it come up and it never say likely scam. This is where we're at with the stand so far. I mean, we have done a lot of work and it has been a week because honestly I'm tired. So the manual I guide we one by one. Babe said I don't know why they could have put writing in there instead of just a show, but yeah.
It's fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is...
Guys, we got to the top part of the console and it has lights. We install the lights and baby's testing out the lights, so we have a whole different colors. So this is a mixture of all the colors showing, and then you can have it like blinking or you can let it stay still. I think that's white, and then you have, yeah, this is cool, pretty cool. So we have that part over there. We need to finish up now, guys. After all that work, I do need a treat, so I'm just having a drumstick right now. Tired. Have this mess to clean up between me and babe, and then make a vacuum the space because so much I call it styrofoam things on the front, little like a paper stuff, and make a vacuum before I push it back to the wall there. So slowly and surely things coming along. Give God thanks, trust and believe. We now have a table, we now have a TV console, no TV yet but soon, and we have a couch. So surely, slowly but surely, we're getting there. Yeah, guys, this is how the light looks in the nighttime, and that's one of the settings. You can change the color to red, yellow, blue, I think that's green, another shade of blue, and I believe that is, I don't know what that shade is, pink. That looks like pink. It's so pretty. I love it. I love how it turned out. So yeah, the decoration on the top will not stay. That's just what I'm having there for now until we get the TV. I'm gonna finalize what I really want, what I do. So yeah, guys, today I'm in Burlington. Me and babe actually trying to get some stuff to keep us warm, because these days that are coming up, they are getting colder and colder and colder and colder, and me, well, I mean extra large, run out of clothes, don't even have enough clothes to keep myself warm these days. Oh my god. So I'm looking I'm like a medium to a large. How much is this? Alright, babe said this fit me good. Be sure we got, this is such a good price. This is $24. It's $24. How much is that? That pretty, you wanna buy that, babe?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, buy.
You look if you know one other size to me.
$24.
Which one? This is so. This I have a grey up by my grey. But I'm not trying a large. Babe, say me no want nothing too tight. Me no want to find out come in the comment section. You don't want nothing tight. This $24. This is cheap. Burlington the way that. I like this. Me look funny large though. Guys, look my card. What a something. Eh? Look my card. That's a whole lot of stuff. I'm trying to find a black jacket though. I really do need one. Burlington really do have some good prices on coats. I won't lie you. For all of the people that will send me a Burlington, big up on yourself, which me day at Burlington. Enough time I come to Burlington, but I can't bother. I prefer Burlington over TJ Maxx though. Any day, anytime. I try to find a black coat though. That me not have too much color except black. I was shopping with Babe went. Man into a big scandal bag them. I have one big bag and one bag not so big. When Babe pay bill, Babe a blink. We have to ask him if he price blind him. Eh? You never yet spend one bill big, so that's true. In a clothes, tell me the truth.
No? That's real fit now.
I have spent bills bigger than that. Guys, we'll go home now, you know. We'll go home and jerk chicken in the night. The breeze start come out already. It did chilly fan. We are left here still. Can you put in a chunk? But this door, my door back coming. Oh gosh. Alright guys, so we are going home now. We're going home. We're gonna leave Burlington. No, we're gonna leave Burlington. We did come with the expectation to go Burlington and to go Old Navy. But Burlington did well. Showed up well, so food where we are looking for. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm actually on my way to work. I didn't get a chance to end out the vlog from last night when we went to Burlington, but I mean it is what it is, so I'm here to end it out. This morning is much lower temperature in terms of cold. So I'm stocked up on my clothing. Yeah. So I'm waiting sets. Today's midweek. I can't wait for it to be Friday. Oh my god, I don't know. Honestly, I was saying to myself that I don't know if I could deal with a job that I don't get as much break, or I probably could, because I would have to be shouting and talking as much and being repetitive and just saying things over and over and over and over and over again to, I don't know. Babe would always say, remember that you were once a child and you used to give talking to. But I'm like, me used to give this much talking? Like, I don't know. Remember, I report them when my mom or dad used to come for them. He used to say, me talk too much. But I'm wondering if we used to talk as much like teacher have to say, to show ya. Like,
make me really a wonder. Because, man, Tash, if I say I did stay, that did bad, man. Because, or I don't know if just this generation, but I don't know. I don't say pick this guitar in, I know one thing at the stage, but my God, man, I don't know. So I'm like, if I was in a job where I didn't have to do as much talking, probably wouldn't be as bad. I don't know, not getting the enough like break in between or whatever. But trust and believe, it is, oh my God. And as I say, I'm gonna give credits to where it is viewed, and I won't lie, holidays. The last time I said this, somebody said, oh, I do think the people under your work line do get enough holidays, sis. I can answer this and tell you for the short time I'm here, based on conversation I would have had with other persons. Every state give different holiday. I remember when it was Columbus Day, my state didn't give because I had to work that day. Regular school in my state. So it's not every state. Some state probably do it different. But in all honesty, may I forgive God thanks same way, because there is a bright star behind being here. And I mean, we are human beings. We're gonna always look on the good side, and we're gonna talk about the side that we kind of think about. As me tell audience, I say, boy, in life something have to change certain things, bro. You have to just, you know, give you a different mindset, or just make you understand that not everywhere you go life is going to be the same. Some things have to build you up, some things may break you, but in everything I've looked on the good in it, and I've been saying that I'm so grateful to be here. So even though you hear me talk about the little break them, which we really need, but giving God thanks, because I am in a better situation when it comes on to work than I was before. Won't be labeling on which aspect, but no, say me grateful. I'm gonna give God thanks. I'm there. I'm gonna want to go back. Just know that. So normally this time I would be further out than I am today. Sometimes we believe it's a time how we are found, but time now we are found. So some morning you wish you could have 2 more minutes in your bed, 2 more minutes, turn 3, 4, 5 when you look. You end up there behind that time. Some things that we would really want to invent in life is time, man. Time no wait for nobody. But this time where the time change over, where the nights come down earlier, I'm so grateful for that, because the nights are longer and I get to sleep in longer. So even last night we got to the bed a little bit later than we usually would have, since the time has changed over. Because they know once night come earlier, you go your bed earlier. So since the time has changed over, we've been going. But last night after we come from Burlington, babe, he insisted from the day before, that he wanted to do jerk chicken, because we did it before the other day, and he said he wanted to do it again. So Burlington, we come in from the hours there, we did left the meat for out, but Burlington, if we come from Burlington plus to go to that. What are you doing? Come on, man. Where's your indicator? Come on, man. Don't do that. I'm not saying when I get distracted on the road sometimes, but like in terms of if me try to make sure no beacon of the near to me or nothing. You know what, guys? Anyways, take care of yourself. Let's go and do the do. I'll be on the next break. To come along and just, yeah. Today is the temperature is one of the highest will be in the 50s, and the 50s they read by Fahrenheit. So I'm not sure how much is that in Celsius. If you don't want to know, just put in like 59 Fahrenheit, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and you know what is that in Celsius. Celsius would like give me a better understanding because we use the Celsius from traveling to different places that do their reading in Celsius. But I've been telling already, I think I have 32 is the freezing point that they measure in Celsius, in Fahrenheit for the US. So 32 degree is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. It has only been 0 degrees since I have been here. Probably only 2 days. Probably today. Today I probably about 7. About 7. It's now 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I got my breakfast, you know, because I saw which I work. So me go and talk to you. So me will talk to you later, that's what I meant. We'll talk to you later and take care of yourself. Big up everybody who has been leaving a comment on my channel. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate the growth of my family over here. I look forward to putting up videos. I look forward to you guys viewing it. I am just so happy and I'm so thankful. And in everything I do, people give God thanks because God is out here doing great things, even when it seems like the great things aren't the great things that you want. But just I believe, take it from somebody. God out here doing the great things. It probably not be a time, because I tell about time. You see, it takes faith, it takes patience to have courage to wait upon God's time. I'm not telling no lie. It takes prayers, and whether or not you are Christian or not, pray. Before me turn Christian, I pray. I never stop praying. I always pray. I pray in and out of season. Right now, as I sit to nobody, I feel like since I become Christian, I don't pray as much as I used to pray. And I've been talking to myself and like this thing that I keep doing too. When I wake up, first thing I go upon my phone. First thing I go upon most of the time is YouTube. And I'm like, no man. And I'm like, Tash, the first thing you need to go on in the morning is the Bible app to read a scripture. I've been telling myself that I've been trying it, I've been failing, but at the devil, but I go overcome it. For yourself, I need to learn the word more and live by the word. I like when I'm praying and I can quote a word in my prayer. Yeah, understand it and live by it. Guys, honestly, later, real, the more than half of my journey now. I'm gonna need to eat my breakfast before I get to work. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, take care of yourselves. Later.